Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Rabia Halik from US Biotechnology, and my subject is Principle of Chemistry, and my resource person is Dr. Hamad Majid. Today my presentation topic is sulfatine and phosphatine, and my contents: sulfatine Vesper theory, list structure of sulfatine, VBT theory, hybridization, MOT theory, and phosphatine. Introduction of sulfatine. Sulfatine is a naturally occurring polyatomic ion consisting of a central sulfur atom surrounded by 4 oxygen atoms. Its chemical formula is SO4 2 negative. The oxygen atoms are arranged in a tetrahedral structure, and within the structure the sulfur atom is in the +6 oxidation state, while each of the oxygen atom is in the -2 oxidation state. Sulfate ion electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, and 3p4. Vesper theory. Vesper is the acronym for valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. Vesper is a model used to predict the geometry of molecules based on minimizing the electrostatic repulsion of a molecule's valence electrons around a central atom. In Vesper theory, we will discuss the Lewis structure of sulfatine. There are 2 double bonds between sulfur and oxygen atoms and 2 single bonds between sulfur and oxygen in sulfatine Lewis structure. Sulfur atom is the center atom, and 4 oxygen atoms are located around sulfur atom. There are no lone pair in the last shell of sulfur atom. As we can see in this picture the Lewis structure of sulfatine. VBT theory. VBT bond theory is a chemical bonding theory that explains the chemical bonding between 2 atoms. According to valence bond theory, bonding is caused by the overlap of half-filled atomic orbital. The two atoms share each other's unpaired electron to form a filled orbital, to form a hybrid orbital and bond together. Sigma and pi bond are part of the valence bond theory. In VBT, we will discuss the hybridization. Hybridization of sulfate ion is sp3, since it has 4 oxygen atoms arranged in tetrahedrally around it, and thus there are total 4 sigma bonds in it, which sulfur atom makes with oxygen, and pi bond do not contribute to hybridization. The hybridization of sulfate ion is sp3. Its explanations: the number of sigma bonds and lone pair of an electron give information about the hybridization of ions. An ion exhibit sp hybridization when the total obtained by adding sigma bond and one lone pair is 2. When the total obtained by adding sigma bond and lone pair of an electron is 3, then the ion is exhibit sp2 hybridization. When the total count is 4, then it is sp3 hybridization. As SO4 2 negative contains 4 sigma bonds and 0 lone pair of electron, it exhibits sp3 hybridization. Hybrid structure of sulfatine. We can see that there are 6 different structures of sulfatine. MOT theory. Molecular orbital theory is the primarily used to explain the bonding in molecules that cannot be explained by valence bond theory. There are molecules that generally involve some form of resonance. Resonance implies that a bond is neither single or nor double, but some hybrid of the two. Valence bond theory only describes the bonding of single or double or triple bonds. It does not provide an explanation for resonance bonding. The rules of molecular orbital theory. First principle: the number of molecular orbitals produced is always equal to the number of atomic orbitals brought by the atoms that have combined. Second principle: bonding molecular orbitals are lower in energy than the parent orbital, and the anti-bonding orbital are higher in energy. Third principle: electron of the molecule are assigned to orbital from lowest to successively higher energy. Fourth principle: atomic orbital combine to form molecular orbital most effectively when the atomic orbital are of similar energy. You draw the resonance contributor as usual. We can see the 6 different resonance structure of sulfate ion. There are 6 equivalent contributors to the sulfate ion. Because they are all equivalent, we need to look at only one of them. We can find the bond angle. We use this formula. Number of bonding electrons pair divided by number of bonding atom. In each resonance contributor there are 6 bonding electron pairs and 4 atoms bonded to the sulfur atom. Thus, the average bond order is in the sulfate ion is 1.5. Phosphate ion. What is phosphate ion? Phosphate ion is one of the oxyanion of phosphorus. Phosphorus is at +5 oxidation state in phosphate ion. Also, phosphate ion has a -3 charge. Phosphate ion electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2 and 3d2. Lewis structure of phosphate ion. We already studied of Vesper theory, in which we discussed the Lewis structure of ion, phosphate ion. In the Lewis structure of phosphate ion, 3 is a double bond between phosphorus atom and one oxygen atom. Between other oxygen atom, there are only single bond with phosphorus atom. Also, each oxygen atom has a -1 charge. Oxygen atoms should hold negative charge because electronegativity 3.5 of oxygen is higher than phosphorus 2.1. Otherwise, we can say ability of holding negative charge is greater in oxygen atom than phosphorus atom. The Tron structure is not a stable one because all atoms have charge. Now we should try to minimize charge by converting lone pair or pairs to bonds. So convert one lone pair of one oxygen atom to make a new phosphorus and oxygen bond. Now there is a double bond between phosphorus atom and one oxygen atom. Now there are 3 phosphorus and oxygen single bonds between phosphorus atom and other 3 oxygen atoms. We can see in this picture, you see charge of atom in phosphate ion are reduced. Now there is no charge in one oxygen atom and phosphorus atom, so we have an stable ion than previous one. Hybridization of central atom of phosphate ion. The phosphorus atom have 5 valence electron. The hybridization can be determined by the number of sigma bond and the number of lone pair. The number of sigma bond is 4 and the number of lone pair is 0. This implies steric number is 4 and hence the hybridization is sp3 and the geometry and shape of molecule is tetrahedral, and 2 electrons are forming a double bond, 1 sigma and 1 pi, and 3 electrons are forming 3 sigma bonds. Phosphorus has vacant d orbitals, so it can expand its valency. Oxygen form a double bond with the phosphorus, in which oxygen phosphorus bond is like a coordinate bond in which oxygen is donating its electron to the Wissant d orbital of phosphorus. So the pi and is said to be pi p pi and d pi bond. We can see in this picture the hybrid phosphate ion. According to MOT, phosphate ion has following structure and its bond order is number of atom divided by number of resonating bond is equal to 0.5. So we can add 1 plus 0.25 is equal to 1.25. The average bond atom is 1.5, 1.25 of phosphate ion. Thank you.